Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Earth sign Virgo. This is general love reading and this is the reading for remaining month of June. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Virgo. So let's see recent past. Seven of Wands, Justice, Strength. For some there is separation between both of you. For some there is less communication. And one person in this connection don't want to give up on this connection. Even though they already know there are some obstacles. They want to overcome that obstacles. But they don't want to give up on this connection. Justice. Definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation in past. There is a chance definitely. Strength. I think your person gaining strength or you stand by your power. You or your person could be fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag or Libra. Could be. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Virgo. Queen of Wands. Two of Wands. Lot of fire energies here. Ace of Swords. Yeah, lot of passion is there between both of you. King of Wands and Two of Wands. As your person is thinking about you a lot, they want a brand new beginning, or you want a brand new beginning with them. Definitely reconciliation. Ace of Swords, communication is also started between both of you. Truth coming out and brand new beginning. Ace of Swords. So those who want reconciliation, there is a chance, high chance for reconciliation, because one person is thinking about the other person a lot. See the world in his hand. He's thinking a lot day and night about you, or you think about them day and night. Lot of passion between both of you. So let's see Virgo, your person, near future actions towards you. Okay, Virgo, your person, near future actions towards you. The burden, mind. Okay, completion. Okay, see here the burden, Six of Swords. So your person want to communicate you, whatever the disputes between both of you, they your person want to settle, and this could be long distance relationship, because Six of Swords in normal text, that is long distance relationship. And mind, Page of Swords. Definitely your person want to communicate. Also you both already communicating with each other. And completion, definitely some cycles are going to be end the world. So the separation cycle is going to be end, I think. So definitely your person want to approach you and they want to settle things. Some cycles are definitely ending. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Virgo. Aloneness. Yes, your person in recent undergo some transformation. Aloneness means hermit mode, seeing things spiritually. Two of Swords. They are at some crossroads, blindfolded, not taking decision. And conditioning. Yes, there is some negative energy between both of you. One person is very dominating than the other. Change. Yes, Wheel of Fortune. So devil, conditioning is here. Devil, definitely one person is very dominative in this connection. That's why other person feeling very low, aloneness, they undergo some hermit mode. but there is change is going to be happen in your love life, because wheel of fortune is here. Things are getting better, things are turning in your favor. Whatever happened in your situation, your person want to settle all these things, because wheel of fortune is here. So things are turning in your favor, Virgo. Please don't lose hope, because there is a brand new beginning. Reconciliation is also a chance. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.